What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn in bright white, powered by the 3-liter EcoDiesel engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab with the 6-foot box on the back. On both sides of this truck, there are chrome running boards, which makes it much easier to get into the interior. Front and rear bumpers are chrome, and so are the mirrors. Come to the front here, you'll have your halogen headlamps light up the road in front of you with your high beam and your turn signal, of course. You have that chrome grille looking great with the Ram badge. 2 tow hooks on the front bumper with 2 fog lamps. Come to the side here, the Ram 1500 Bighorn is running on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction, and they are running on Aftermarket Ultra Motorsports Rims. They are black with chrome, and they look very nice. Chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. EcoDiesel badge, letting everybody know what's underneath the hood. LED turn signals built into the mirrors, and they are breakaway, and this truck has heated mirrors. So you can heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. There's also LED lights built into the bottom of the mirrors that come on when you unlock it or open up a door. Open up the driver's side here, the door. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle, nice place for an arm. Ramp badge, great styling. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. This truck has power folding in mirrors. Press the button here, and they fold right in like so. Press the button again, they fold back out. Very neat. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. Move inside here, you have your automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. With the dimmer switch, this button here will turn on your fog lights, and that button there will turn on your box lights. Directional air vent here, which you can close and open. Handle here so the driver can easily get inside this truck. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. There's a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is power with lumbar support. Leather seats throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you'll have adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Pocket on the side of the middle console here. Driver side heated seat, and you have 2 settings. So you have a hot setting and a warm setting. Heated seats are great to have in the wintertime. Nice materials here for your arms to rest on. Nice Ram badge. Grab this chrome handle. Upper storage area here with a change holder. And there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, and another USB port right there. If you have cords running through here, run them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Let's go take a look at the back seat. These doors open up nice and wide so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, Ram badge, great style, looking good. Handle here so your passengers can easily get into the back seat. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat. Lots of foot room back here. Tons of headroom. Hooks so you can hang up nice clothing so they don't get all wrinkled. Your interior lamp is also a reading lamp. Push it with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it'll shut off. Adjustable headrests in the back seats. Fold down armrest right here with 2 cup holders. Insulated removable in-floor storage areas are down here, and if they get dirty you can remove them and clean them. 2 cup holders down there. The seats do fold up. You have the fold out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. Easily flip it back like this, and underneath here there's more storage space. There's also a clip so you can clip it up like that and secure it. And it folds back down like so. 12-volt DC power outlet down here with a nice Ram badge and directional air vents. Close this door. This is where you put diesel fuel inside this Ram 1500 and your diesel exhaust fluid. Come to the back. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. There are mud flaps behind all 4 tires. You do have a tonneau cover, handy to have. Nice badging, 4x4, your Ram badge and your Bighorn badge there. Spot for your trailer hitch down here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using the Ram 1500. Open up the tailgate here. Spray and bed liner, and there's hooks in all 4 corners, so when the tonneau cover is open, you can tie down your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. When the tonneau cover is closed, like it is right now, whatever's back here will be secure and out of sight. There's wood here, which is fantastic, so if you want to do some work on the tailgate of the Ram 1500, go ahead. It's meant to take some damage. It is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on your key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. Come to the other side here. Chrome running board is looking nice. Chrome door handles, very good. I'll show you the other side of the back seat here. Storage down below, storage in the middle, power window switch. Nice place for an arm, great styling with the Ram badge. Handle on this side too, for passengers to lift themselves in. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Insulated, removable in-floor storage area. This side also flips up like this, and you have the fold-out gate here, so you put things underneath or on top for storage. And there's 2 cutouts for the middle cup holders, which is a clever touch. And it folds back, and underneath here, there's even more storage space. There's also a clip, so you can secure it, just like that. The seat comes back down, like so. I love how spacious the back seats are in a crew cab truck. Front passenger side, storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch. Great style, Ram badge. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right there. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Handle here for the front passenger. Pocket on this side of the middle console too. And front passenger seat is also heated. So you have the hot setting / really warm setting, or you have a lower warmer setting, so you can choose how hot you want the seat. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat you do have your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. The lower glove box here is a manual and lots of space for many different things, and there's an upper glove box here for even more things, and there's a convenience light in there. And for safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, and there's driver and passenger side airbags and more. Lots of safety built into this truck. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Ram 1500 right now. Now I'm sitting inside the 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and here is the key fob. It's got a nice Ram badge there on the back. You have a unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Using the key fob, go over to the side here, push it into ignition. All you gotta do is turn it, and it starts right up. I love the sound of that EcoDiesel engine. All the gauges look very nice, and this truck only has 103,596 kilometers on it. That's not very much. Come down the Crosstown Dodge today and see if this could be your next everyday driver. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, we can go through the driver information center. First thing you'll see is your fuel economy area. Lets you know your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers, and your fuel range on your tank of fuel. And you can reset that whenever you want just by holding the button right there. Trip A calculator and a Trip B calculator, both of them tell you how far you're driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Feel free to reset both of those whenever you want. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case your Ram 1500 wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. There's a compass here, outside thermometer, time, fuel range, customize all that right here. Digital speedometer, you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. And you have your vehicle info, tells you tire pressures for all 4 tires, transmission temperature, oil life, battery voltage, full on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures, and back to your fuel economy area. And if you open any door on the Ram 1500, we'll let you know which door is open on the truck. And behind the steering wheel, there are steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Nice Ram badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. And it's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons. You have voice recognition. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can tune to a specific radio station just by using your voice. And you have a Bluetooth button here. And
there are no phones connected. Connect a phone and try again.
So if you have a phone connected through Bluetooth, you can answer calls that come through the system with that button right there. Rotary style gear shifter, very easy to use, and it is out of the way. Push button 4-wheel drive with 4x4 auto. Trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, 115 volt AC power outlet, storage spot right there. 2 big cup holders in the middle here with a 12 volt DC power outlet, cell phone holder, lots of space in the middle here for whatever you want. Another storage area right there. You can adjust your fan speed, adjust your temperature, turn on your air conditioning right there. Recirculate button, adjust where you want the air to go. This button here will turn on your heated mirrors. Directional air vents here in the middle, which you can close and open. Close and open. Nice Ram badge, a little spot there for some things. Lots of visibility out the front window. Fold down sun visor here with a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Push button reading lamps up here. Switch for your rear sliding window, so you can open that up, and you can easily close that back up too. Programmable garage door openers right there. Passenger sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway and does slide. Same with the drivers. Grab a lower here. An even larger storage area down below here. There's so much space in here. You can fit a football in there. And a little ledge for some packs of gum or some pens. And this is the Uconnect system. Radio here. You have AM, FM radio and Sirius XM. You can tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. There's your seek buttons. Hold this with your finger. You can set a preset, and you can save many different presets. Turn the volume here. Great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely jam out. Have a good time while you're driving this truck. Turn it back down like this. You also have a mute button there, and you can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Media button here, so if you have something plugged in to the USB port, the auxiliary port, or Bluetooth device connected, you can play music off the Bluetooth devices, and you can also play music through the USB port and the auxiliary port just by pressing the media button. Bluetooth area here, where I have to pair a phone, that's okay. I'll let you connect a phone, view recent calls, access your phone book, and all that fun stuff, all right here on the touchscreen Uconnect system. You have a compass, that's always handy to have. Settings here, so you can adjust your Uconnect system, and the Ram 1500 right there is tons of settings. More button, so you have an outside thermometer there and a large clock. Back button to help you guide through your system. There's a tuning knob and a browse button too. Go back to the radio, tells you the time up there. Adjust your audio here. Adjust your bass, mid-range, and your treble. Easy to use system, and it's also fun to use too. It's always cool being able to touch a screen, I have to say. And there's tons of storage spaces throughout this Ram 1500. Everything is very straightforward, very easy to use. Be sure to come check out this Ram 1500 sometime soon. This Ram 1500 also has a Titan Aftermarket Remote Start. Wait for it. There it is, and you can unlock and lock the doors with this little guy too. Same as this key fob. It's a 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn in bright white, powered by the 3-liter EcoDiesel engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with a 6-foot box in the back. It has leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth, and so much more. Book a test drive at Crosstown today. I'm man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.